On my screen, you can see I have two websites that are running on my browser, and they are all selling premium fonts. One is selling a font at $219, and the other one is selling at almost $1,400, the least being $49, okay? However, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to download them for free, okay? Using the same website. Stay with me as I show you how to do it. You're going to hover over the font that you need, okay? You are going to right click on it, right click, and then you're going to click on the inspect element. A side window should appear on the right side of your screen. You're going to expand it, and then you need to click on the application. Here are the elements. I need you to click on the application, and your page should look like this. You need to click on the font here. Here on the frames, on this section called frames, you need to click on the font and then click on the drop down menu, and then you will see the fonts that are on this page. Okay, let's say I want maybe I want this font, so I'm going to look for it here. Salina, it's called Salina, and there are several variants of Salina, but I can download all of them. Now, how do you download those fonts? You need to hover over one of them. Maybe I want, right click on it and then open a new tab. Open a new tab. It's going to download the Salina Black Wolf 2, and then I'll save it. Let me again confirm that this method works with the other website. These are two completely different websites. I want this font called, it's called Avelia Lavish Luxury Italic Serif. You need to right click on a text that has the font, okay, like this one, Walter White. You need to right click and then inspect. It will take me to the same window that has all these characters. Now you need to click on the application. After clicking the application, it will take you to this page. You need to click the drop down menu called font, and you are going to see a lot of fonts here. Now, since they have not been labeled correctly, it's called Avelia Lavish. You need to also note the name of the font. So, and since they haven't been labeled, I am going to click on it. It will display on this right side of the screen. This is not the Avelia. I'm going to click on the second one. It's the same. The third one is also the same. If I click on the fourth one, it's still the same. And now if I click the fifth one, it has changed, and this is the font that I want. Okay, this is where you review the font that you want. I'll right click on it, open a new tab, and then download one. I'll call it actually Avelia, so that I don't mix it up with the other one. Avelia, and then save it. I am on the download page of my file manager. These are the two fonts that I've downloaded. And let's say you want to work with a font that is compatible with your device. This is .wolf2, okay, .wolf, and this is wolf2. You can convert that using online converters. You only need to come to your browser, and then you'll search for wolf to OTF, okay. It will bring you several websites that you can use to convert your fonts. Maybe I want to convert this wolf to OTF. If you search on that, it should bring you something. It should bring you to, if you click on any website, it should be able to convert any font to OTF, which you can use for other softwares and also install it on your computer. And that should be it. If you want us to do other tutorials based on fonts, you can comment below. See you on the next one, and be productive.